saber.
Takina nyo, gago.
Ngayon alam ko na. Kaya pala gusto ng mga magulang natin na kumain tayo ng sabay-sabay. Kasi darating ang panahon na mag-isa ka na lang kakain sa lamesa. Kaya pala 6:00 pa lang ng gabi, gusto ng mama at papa natin na magkakasama tayo. Kasi darating ang panahon na matagal na panahon din tayong hindi magkikita-kita. Ngayon alam ko na kung bakit hinahayaan lang tayo kumain ng matatamis noon. Yung pala, puro pait na ang mararanasan natin ngayon.
Focus on you. People come and go. You're being judged no matter what. So be who you want to be. What other people think of you is none of your business. Be yourself. People don't have to like you, and you don't have to care. Learn to say no without explaining yourself. Be proud. You survived the days you thought you couldn't. Stay strong. Even when things begin to fall apart, stay strong. Free yourself from society's advice. Most of them have no idea of what they're doing.
Ang galing talaga ni Lord, no? Marami tayong gusto, pero hindi natin nakukuha. Marami tayong plano, pero hindi natin nagagawa. Tapos biglang may magandang bagay na dadating. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi His plan is better than ours.
I know you're everything that I've been looking for. And I look into your eyes and could not ask for more.
So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time.
But if I ever fall in love again, sometime when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again,
I wouldn't have made it if I didn't have you holding my hand. I don't wanna lose control. Nothing I can do anymore.
Sa buhay, lahat ng bagay may dahilan kung bakit na tayo patuloy pa rin bumabangon. Kahit sabihin na natin, oo, mahirap ang buhay. Pero kinakaya pa rin natin, di ba? Basta huwag ka lang magreklamo. Tuloy mo lang. Ituloy mo lang ng ituloy. Hindi mo na mamalayan. Nalagpasan mo na pala. Pag napapagod ka, pahinga ka lang. Tapos gawin mo ulit. Harapin mo ulit ng mag-isa. Kasi natutunan ko, hindi lahat ng oras andyan sila para sa'yo. Kailangan mong matutunan kung paano harapin yung mag-isa. Ano? Mahirap ba? Kaya mo yan. Ikaw pa.
Bakit daw hindi ako naglalabas at lagi lang nasa bahay? Ganon talaga. Mas pipiliin ko na lang mag-isa kaysa maging chismosa.
Adu, 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 adu.